There never was a lifeguard on duty at the Magic Beach Motel. Now the sign lays in a pit with the rest of the rubble. The bright pink and turquoise landmark that once welcomed travelers to Vilano Beach is gone, replaced by heavy machinery dust and the echo of progress. Guest parking is being ripped up, dump trucks haul away memories by the ton, and their place, new concrete foundations rise. The Colonia at Vilano promises modern coastal luxury, a vision of the future for the small seaside community. For some, it's exciting. For others, it's unsettling. But progress doesn't have to mean destruction. The question isn't whether to build, it's how to build. Will these new developments respect the dunes, the wildlife, and the rhythms of the sea? Or will they smother the very beauty that drew people here in the first place? This barrier island has always been fragile, a thin line between land and ocean, shaped by tides and storms. Building wisely means allowing the land to breathe, the dunes to move, and the wild things to endure. Good things are coming to Vilano Beach, that much is certain. But how good they truly are will depend on whether we build with care or just build over what made this place magic to begin with. Reporting for the independent local press on Florida's historic coast, I'm Benjamin Brandow.